Sana mapabilis yung pagkuha ko ng visa.
Many only 30 ringgit.
Yeah, ganito kamura ang gas dito guys. Ligaw-ligaw na kami guys.
Ligaw-ligaw guys.
Dito guys sa Malaysia maraming toll.
Maganda. Malaysia maganda.
Hello guys.
Kamusta ka? Mabuti, mabuhay. Today our team is great. Macho.
So ngayon guys, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung Frog Hills. Di ko alam kung magandang tsaka mainit na eh. Pupuntahan pa rin natin. Try natin baka pwede tayong mag-drone. So ngayon pala ay Sabado. Today is Saturday. So
Sabado.
Si Mira walang pasok. Ako everyday walang pasok. Frog Hills sana. Frog Hills sana lang. After Frog Hill we going to Mira. Makan first. Eat first then Mira Brother. Go to Mira Brother. Because Mira Brother invite to go to Penang beach, right?
Penang got a lot of beach,
Yeah.
but this is beside only.
Nice.
Beside, but got this. Never go there. Later we can go here, ma. Burger shop. Maybe.
Green to the green. Subukan ko ngayon magsalita ng Malay, try natin. I speak only Malay. Kita na busy minya. Ha? AC. Easy. Guys, kita na easy minya. Minya dengan angin.
Saya dah tak ada angin.
Saya tak ada angin.
Sebab dia berat. Dia gemuk. Angin tak ada saya.
Merah gamuk. Merah gamuk. Kurus gamuk is fat. Kurus is skinny.
Like
Mapayat, mataba.
martabak.
Mira is mataba.
Ni martabak. You guys can see martabak from here.
So bali guys, ngayon pupunta kami magpa-gasolina muna at patapos diretso na doon sa Frog Hill.
See here. Now we have 3 bar. 3 Leo never bring me to Penang Hill because he already go with his girlfriend before. So later he scared. His memory come back.
No lah.
Miss na aku sama girlfriend na dulu. Walau
Okay. Time to turn.
Okay, I think gonna put angin first because nobody and angin.
So guys, hangin here in Malaysia. Sa atin naman sa Pilipinas, hangin. Hangin. In Malaysia?
Angin tu nampak? Angin.
Angin, tengok angin.
On pressure, so the pressure front tire is 230 kPa. Rear is the back 200 kPa. Okay, let's go.
Dito sa Malaysia people like to eat outside. Yeah, here a lot of many restaurant. Most of them they like to eat outside. They don't cook. Sometimes only cooking, right? So ganito dito sa Malaysia. We put
front first. So set it to be 230. Not yet. Okay, this one is 230. Okay, one more time. Behind we put 200. Okay, one more time. Okay, the other side. I'm kind of shy because behind got car.
Banyak panas. Ngayon naman ay maglalagay kami ng oil.
See me at counter.
So siya magbabayad dun. Ako maglalagay ng gasoline. Na guys, ready na, let's go.
Go, Tara. Wow! From 3 increase to 7. Many only 30 ringgit.
Yeah, ganito kamura ang gas dito guys. 30 ringgit. Ini almost full tank, right? 30 ringgit in Philippines berapa? 30 ringgit? 600.
I don't know.
30 ringgit it's 300.
300 peso.
Wih, really ya?
If Thailand 1 liter 4 ringgit. If Thailand double tau. 1 liter.
Ya, sama Philippines double.
Because Malaysia have subsidy for the citizen, Malaysian citizen.
Because you have your own.
If Thailand come to Malaysia, they cannot use RON 95. They must use RON 97.
Why?
RON 95 only for Malaysia.
What do you mean roll 95?
The yellow oil.
Oh, really ya?
If you come to Malaysia using your car and then plate number like Thailand the cashier
The green one
the cashier will look at your car first or you cakap you cannot use 95.
Oh, ini for
97.
Malaysian citizen only ya?
Later on our oil price will drop to 1.99. They will use IC. You want to put oil, you show your IC first. Or this Malaysian, okay, can use 1.99. More cheaper. Cheaper 6 cent.
Yung guys, napaka ano dito. Mura ng
So come Malaysia, but you are not Malaysian. It is one for Malaysian.
this one for
only.
Malaysian citizen only. So if like me, if I go alone, let's say I drive and then I use your IC boleh ya?
You need have face, ma.
Then how come if I go alone then?
You go alone, just pay lah, expensive one.
So may maraming mga bakante dito kung mag-rent kayo tindahan, no? Mga hindi pa nag-o-open.
Wiper, 50 ringgit. Next video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the
Notification.
like
Notification bell.
notification.
And like also. Yun guys, salamat nga pala dun sa mga nag-subscribe sa amin.
Wait. Okay, this coffee is Malaysian brand. And this one is Eco. Oh, think inside is 2 ringgit 60 cent. Regardless of what you buy, all price is 2 ringgit 60 cent. Very cheap, Oh, another.
So guys, nandito kami sa maliit na daanan. Dito kami sa kampong place. Still fun. Still nice.
Say hi to me.
Hey! Ligaw-ligaw na kami guys.
Ligaw-ligaw guys.
Yeah. Andito na kami guys sa rice field. Google give us a kampong road.
Maybe you remember we go somewhere also we.
Saan we?
Oh, ini. My cousin nephew married also we come out from here.
Sana. Ikap cousin sana. Dito na kami sa highway guys. Niligaw kami. Niligaw kami ni Google. Pero pag gamit mo ay motor, if you use motor, easy. Easy to go very fast also. Right?
Like, and before recreation place also we go inside hutan ini game.
Recreation.
Ini bertap lah. Ini play tu. Ada pergi walking.
Yeah. First time it's okay. Are you sure here? What do you think?
Last time we try. I think this one okay. Tahi banyak
Palm tree. Still far, gue. Oh, banyak Carabao here.
Mana?
Ay, sudah ada letter. Ini apa ni? Cakap apa? Ini house ini Ini mana?
Oh, ini front hill. I think 9 minutes to front hill.
Mesti ada.
Motosikal. Nampak ada motor go ke sana.
Then merong. Ini close. can go ah.
Okay, itu terus.
Car boleh go dia. Ikot-ikot lang tayo dito ah. Because we don't know yet the road. This is our first time to come here. Carabao.
Macam Leo.
Very big Carabao.
Wait, why color like that kot?
Carabao. And then ada white ah. This Carabao white ah.
Ini shower. Banyak black. We should fail. We come again with the motor.
So we must come with the motor lah. Drone. Ang plano ko kasi doon, mag-drone ako. So sa mga oras na to, pangit na yata mag-drone. Hindi na maganda yata pag ano, kasi mataas na ang araw eh. Maaraw na maganda kasi pag umaga kasi talaga. Kikita mo pa yung mga nag-fog minsan. So ngayon ang plano namin siguro, titignan muna namin yung daan. Tapos pag next time pupuntahan namin, motor na. Magmumotor na kami kasi mahirap dito eh. When you see Prague Hill, there's a lot of Prague, right?
I don't know.
Oh, she also first time.
Kenapa?
No need lah. But we come lah ba. Oh, tak online ni cannot come by car. And then if morning we come by car, but we just walk. Ini good. Guys, reverse na lang siya. So, yung Prague Hill nandoon pa sa unahan. Yan po nga, pupunta yan sila yata. May mancing. Yan, so bawal, hindi tayo makapasok. So bali guys, babalik na lang tayo dito pag umaga. Okay lang pag umaga yung kotse natin, i-park natin dito, tapos lakarin na lang natin. Ikaso may lakad pa kami, pupunta pa kami sa brother niya kasi may planong pupunta ng Pinang Beach. So we plan to go back home. No, so we going to we are going to makan first, eat first. After that, let's see how kung makapunta ba kami sa Pinang dun sa island. So samahan nyo kami guys. Balik na lang tayo pag may time. Agahan natin punta dito kasi maganda pag umaga, hindi mainit. Ngayon kasi ang init na, tarik na ng araw. Alauna na kasi, mainit dito sa Malaysia. Ay bata dito. Wish, knows what to do, your friend. So our plan for today is failed lagi. Fail. So now we're going to other place again. I'm sorry guys, hindi namin mapapakita yung isang magandang tanawin dito.
Come back using motorcycle.
Yeah, we're coming back using motorcycle na lang. So okay guys, I'm sorry. Next time tayo. Prague Hill ang tawag ng lugar na yun. Maganda sa kasi nakikita ko rin sa mga post ng mga friend ko dito. Prague Hill na maganda, like ada lake, right? Maganda siya because on Monday I did lagi
Sempang like that. Ini mas bos ah. Oh, nice highway from Malaysia.
Oh, you always promote your country,
Of course.
Dito guys sa Malaysia maraming toll dito pag nagda-drive kayo sa sasakyan dito sa highway. Pero maganda ang yung nila, yung highway nila. Merong every how many kilometers ada R&R?
It depends. Evening many.
Rest. Lahat ng talaga is yung papunta galing ng Johor to Endred into Perlis, right? From Johor Bahru to Perlis, meron yung daanan nila may kaso nga lang may toll. Pero maganda yung ano nila, daanan nila.
But I cannot pay using cash.
Yes.
You must have
You can,
cash and go
yeah.
card. If you come here without prepare, you will stop at the toll with nothing.
Yeah.
Nobody will help you.
So, kung pupunta kayo dito ng Malaysia at may sasakyan kayo, mag-rent kayo ng sasakyan, dapat may ano yan touch and go card sa toll. Kasi pag wala kayo, hindi kayo yan, katulad nito, touch and go to. Sa mga, mabibili naman to sa 7-Eleven.
If you go to Thailand, no toll.
So,
We go drive until Krabi, 5 hours, no toll. In Malaysia, 5 hours already charge 50 ringgit.
really yeah, from Penang
From Penang to
to
Pahang,
Pahang, how much?
50 I think.
50 50.
And then return,
Toll only
return also 50.
Uy, very expensive.
Until Kuala Lumpur, already 30 ringgit. But if you car broken, no more risk.
Tawagan mo lang yung toll, yung touch and go.
Highway service.
Highway service na.
They will
For
come.
example,
You
emergency,
You call them.
it's free.
They
Free to
will come collect your car and then send to any nearest workshop.
ilang.
How you want to call? Let me see. Ada phone number beside the highway. But
The post, then also in touch and go also. Right.
lama tak singgung, you tak singgung, ada phone number? I don't think so. You top area. If highway don't have top area, like got speaker beside the road, you can like call. Ito.
So ganito dito guys sa Malaysia, maraming toll. Pero pag nag-emergency naman or something happen sa iyo, something happen to your car or your emergency on the road,
Phone number plus phone number.
ano yan? Hindi po number.
Phone number plus.
Let's
Don't
say
worry.
emergency, accident, tawagan nyo lang yung number. Meron naman silang nilalagay na number sa mga kalsada yan, nakalagay, or sa card mo, sa touch and go card minsan meron. Tapos tawagan mo lang, tapos free pick up, right? Free pick up, service sila.
Motorcycle
Libre.
only. Car only. Motorcycle don't have. Because motor don't pay.
For car only, kasi pag nagmotor ka dito sa Malaysia, walang bayad sa toll, only car.
So broken, you call your friend only lah. Yeah, I think the biggest hospital in Penang. If you here many specialists. Sini hospital seberang jaya.
Hospital Seberang Jaya.
We gonna makan at R&R. How to say R&R in rest and stop area?
Yung R&R nila dito in 5 km R&R. Yung tinatawag nilang R&R dito is R&R in Malay, Rehat
and Rawat.
Rehat and Rawat, meaning pahingahan ng mga nagda-drive. They also have a restaurant,
Food area, petrol station.
petrol station.
Maganda. Malaysia maganda.
Nandito kami sa R&R Zuro.
We gonna eat
Nakain kami dyan sa Four Finger.
Why 4 finger? Because chicken got 4 finger only. Betul lah.
Ini Malaysian brand, right?
No lah. I don't know.
Labas tayo guys. Nakain tayo. Let's go.
Chicken lah.
Kakain kami dito sa Four Finger.
4 finger na aku.
Guys, cakap.
Aduh. Mana water? Water apa?
Meron ba?
Meron.
Pepsi. What?
Ice lemon Pepsi like Coke lah sikit. Miranda
Pepsi lah.
and Oro rice.
Other rice.
Other rice, I want to add another one rice.
Another rice. Siki only the rice.
No, you want and my one. Yeah.
Ini.
Teriyaki sauce. Better.
Dua. Okay.
No, because sudah ada inside here. See. Here also already rice and Pepsi.
So,
Add all rice. How to payment? Place in order. Full name plate. Order na ako. Choco finger. View my order. I'm gonna order 6 ringgit ramen. Sauce mix, rice one, Pepsi, and another rice. Total 27. Ayos na. Makan na. Ayos na.
yun guys, nandito na yung order namin. We have this rice, chicken 6 pieces, chicken wing.
Ringgit and drums.
It was 1 ring only, but large. Lagay mo dito yung mga bottom. So, guys, kain muna tayo. Okay. Uy, makan wing. Kain guys. Banyak panas.
Tara. Of course.
My driver.
Tara.
My city driver. Apa gue Tara?
Tara. Let's go. Roll it.
Yan o. Tila.
Yan o.
KFC.
Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme.
Tidak Raya is a car shop. And then petrol station.
So dito yung Rehat restaurant here, right?
You want
Mga
to find
sasakyan.
local food also here.
They got local food, surau, toilet.
Yeah. Costa Rica also have over here. Costa Rica.
Yan yung mga sasakyan, mga trucks. Trucks, rehat. Nag-rehat sila, nag-rest.
So now we heading to toll. But this toll is we enter, no need to pay yet. When we arrive, we pay. Nice. Ay, tak cakap Tara, cakap Tara.
Tara. So this is our first toll. Let's see how much.
No, this one no need to pay because we enter and then later arrive, we pay again.
Oh, okay, understand. Just one payment only. So our new
Card.
our
Okay,
new card.
Tara. Come. Look at me. Oh, cannot arrive. Oh, nice. No need to pay. Balance 3 ringgit 70 cents.
Yeah. So guys, pag napapansin nyo, siya lagi ang nagda-drive. Hindi po kasi ako marunong mag-drive at saka wala pa akong license. Pag dumating na yung visa ko, ako ay mag-titake ng license, right? Go study driving, and at the same time together they will give you a license, right? When you go to the Ang kagandahan dito yun, mga ganun. Sa atin kasi sa Pilipinas, hindi ako nagkakamali, driver, pupunta ka ng driving school kung gusto mo, tapos hindi ko alam sa ating Pilipinas, hindi ko kasi alam eh. Kala ko separate eh. Bago ka magpunta ng LTO, iba pa yung LTO, tapos kung gusto mo mag driving school muna, tapos saka pa LTO. Hindi ko alam eh kung ganun ba dito kasi. Sabi niya pagdating mo, pag driving school ka raw, tapos pagka natapos mo yung driving mo, diretso na bigay yung pag nakapasa ka, diretso na bigay din yung license mo, yung lisensya mo sa pagdadrive. Pagka nakakuha na ako ng lisensya guys, dalawa na kami magdadrive, siya o ako. Pag nagta-travel tayo ng malayuan, kasi minsan nagdadrive siya, naawa ako eh pag nagdadrive siya ng far. Like nung nakaraan, pumunta kami sa Thailand, siya na nag-drive straight to almost Krabi, right? How many?
5 hours.
How 5 hours
From Penang to Thailand border 2 hours, then to Krabi 5 hours. 7 hours.
7 hours, see? Then come back, right? How many hours?
Come back mo lang.
So siya lang nagda-drive guys, oh. Grabe. So ngayon kung makakuha na ako ng license, dalawa na kami. Tapos gagala na tayo lagi. Travel na tayo lagi using.
It's normal for me because I drive to Pahang also 8 hours.
8 hours.
My family house at Pahang.
Yeah, but I pity on you because sometimes when I saw you're tired, you're sleepy. So next time if I get a license, I can drive, so we can go anywhere in Malaysia. Right? We go to everywhere here in Malaysia, right? So yan guys. Sana mapabilis yung pagkuha ko ng visa. Sana yung process of visa walang no problem when they will process my spouse visa. Pero pag motor, kahit walang license. Ako kasi hindi pa ako talaga marunong mag-drive ng kotse. Although tinuturuan niyan naman ako mag-drive. Kaso pagdating dito sa highway, natatakot ako. Saka wala pang license, delikado.
Later go roadblock. Malaysia banyak
roadblock. Police checkpoint sa atin sa Pilipinas. We call it in Pilipinas checkpoint. Here roadblock.
If got so 300 ringgit equal to
300 ringgit,
3,000
peso. Let's say 3,000 depend on depende sa currency. So ganoon guys. Pag motor naman, doon kasi sa nirerentahan namin, malapit sa company na pinapasukan niya. Motor, it's okay kasi hindi naman highway doon eh. Parang kampong lang doon eh. Sa Kulim, sa Lunas. So nakakapag-drive ako. Pero ingat-ingat lang talaga pag nag-drive kasi wala pa akong license. Yun talagang problema doon. Kasi pag ma-aksidente ka, huwag naman sana pupunta yung police. Tapos hahanapan ka ng license. Alright. Find your license. Yuta pa. Hanapan ka ng license. Tapos yun sa motor mo. Tapos pag nahuli ka ay may magbabayad ka talaga. So yun lang guys. Dito na kami sa Jawi Toll. Right?
Yeah.
This is our second toll, but we pay the toll here.
Yeah.
We buy a toll here. Yeah, this is my second. This is our second toll.
Okay, I'm gonna use smart take land. Some people don't know they can pay here.
Smart tag, yeah. Oh, very nice, huh? Smart tag, yeah.
We take over here. Pop. So, RM2.30.
Let's go. So, ang toll natin is RM2.30. Dito na tayo sa Jawi. Minsan dito kami nag grocery.
Yeah. Sad lorry.
Buwan niya lori yan.
Lorry. Midori. This is my brother place. Now we
Andito na kami sa Taman Widuri.
Before nobody live here.
Really? No, a lot already.
5 years ago I come and what is this?
Really? No one selling
No
also.
selling, no shop.
Oh no, a lot already.
Then I come to my brother house very sad. Nothing.
No way, people already come.
Now maybe
People live here.
Let's go see her now. Alright.
That's smoking. So yan guys, kita tayo mamaya kasi papasok na kami sa loob ng brother ni Mira. Kita tayo mamaya. Baka pupunta kami ng beach kasi nagyayaya yung brother na pupunta kami ng beach.
See you guys.
See you guys later. And that's it.
Pangalam.
Kita tayo mamaya, tsaka.
Kita pa mamaya.
Kita
Kita
tayo
tayo
mamaya.
mamaya.
Hi, what's up? So guys, today our plan at where are we gonna go, bro?
Ada basketball place?
So ngayon ay pupunta na lang kami ng basketball kasi hindi kami natuloy sa dagat. Let's go guys, samahan niyo na kami. Bro.
No, you really to go. Nice. Oh my god, this is cool, right? Oh, what's that? Wee wee wee. Wee wee wee. Oi wee wee. Woo. You want to play what? Nah. You play with Opa. Oh. Iman. Iman. You can sit right? Okay. But I don't want to do upwards, right? It's okay. Wow! Wih, takut. Betul ke tak sampai? Wiu! Nice! Wiu! Wiu!
So dito naman basketball, hindi kami makapaglaro kasi marami. Nahihiya rin ako mag-join, hindi ako nakapag-short mga naglalaro na yan, mga Chinese. Tapos kalaban ni Mira, Chinese yan yan to. Hey guys, we're done playing. Very tired. Uy. So we're gonna end this vlog here. Say bye bye, bro.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye. Kakak, bye bye.
Bye. Mama cup cup. Tomorrow we go to Pantai.
Really?
My mom said.